Hey, what's up everybody? Scrub back again, hanging out with you guys. Today we're doing a special video, and that is we are doing an apartment tour. I'm going to show you guys my apartment. Don't really get to see this too much. There's my bike, little bell, ching ching. Here we are, good old apartmento. You guys see pictures of me and I think it's the first time that I've said it on stream, me and my wife. For those that have followed the channel for a long time, I got married. So yeah, that's me and my wife. This is our shoe closet. Check this out. I got to keep the moisture down in there. Japan's really humid in Japan. That's where we keep our umbrellas, purses, bags to go shopping, all that good stuff. Key! Put that on the door because my wife always forgets her keys even though they're right there. So sometimes it's really difficult whenever I go out to work or something. My wife forgets her key. Hey, look, it's me. The big jolly green giant. There he is. This is our washroom. Let me turn on the light right here. This is the bathroom. This is our tub room. This is one of the best parts of the house. One of the best parts. Little control panel here on the wall. Farthest to the left turns it on. Once it's turned on, you can set the degrees. Next button actually fills up the bathtub, and the third button there reheats the water. So really cool. Fills it up. You can fill it up from the bathroom. See you later, jolly green. Moving on. Let's turn off these lights before my wife kills me over the power bill. Moving on. In the door to our left, here it is. This is where the magic happens, boys and girls. Magic being a lot of sleep. As you can tell, we sleep a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and close her up. We're going to skip the toilet room because I don't know if it's clean. I'm normally pretty clean, but I don't want to show it on camera. This is our tatami room. This is where I have a bunch of scrub boxes, if you guys want to. www.patreon.com/scrubinjapan. Check them out. I send people stuff. Those are some bigger boxes that I'm waiting for some shipping. But yeah, this is our tatami room. It's got some of her clothes in it. It's got her vanity. But yeah, this is our apartment, man. It's really tiny, especially for me, being a 6'2", 255-pound human man, giant, big old bazanga man. Coffee pot, which is red, which burns me to this day. Our pink refrigerator. Looks like we got some Jack Daniels and some hash browns. That's right. My Brita water filter takes up almost the entire fridge. I do not like refrigerators in Japan. I want a bigger one. As we scoot around the table, as you can tell, this is my side of the kitchen. Our microwave, our air fryer, but this right here is where the magic happens. This is actually where I record all my Twitch. This is where I do everything. I actually make my scrub videos right here on this boy. So there it is. As you can see, my retro gaming tower here. Bunch of Game Boy games. Got my PlayStation 2, my N64, my Mega Drive, my Super Famicom, my GameCube, my Moomin with his little kabuto on the top of his head. My wife made that. It's adorable. Little, love you, Moo. Love you, Moo-chan. My wife made the little origami kabuto hat. Kind of cool. Yeah, this is the only air conditioner that we have in the entire house, so it makes it really difficult to keep this place cool. I really want to buy a new one, but here's the balcony. Lovely Suzuki Ward right here at Nakamachi-dai. That is Nakamachi-dai Station across the street, so I am really close to the station. As you guys can tell, we got our cleaning supplies out on the balcony, got our shoes. We keep our trash here before we throw it away at night. So we bag it up in the morning, and we throw it out in the evening. There's the shoes that I'm supposed to wear, but I'm American, so I'm just gonna close that door and pretend that I wore the shoes and not tell my wife. Close these curtains. But yeah, it's a nice little apartment. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, watching the videos. We are old school. We do not have the little video doorbell like a lot of people have. So before I go, I just want to do a quick shout out. Everybody that has subscribed on my Patreon, I'm talking to you guys, man. Andrew, Chris, Justin, Martin, Anthony, Richard, Scott, BstMstR, Jeff, Brett, all you guys, man. Much love. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. And for the rest of you guys, I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and hopefully we'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the little tour. See you guys.